the one time I film a video later than I should, I actually cannot talk today. Oh, this annoys me. Okay. Anyways. What is up and welcome back to my channel. Today we did this black and pink cut crease look and I love it and it's really cute, so yeah. So if you guys want to achieve this look, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I already finished my foundation, my concealer, and my eyebrows, so now we are moving on to contour, which I'm using the Master Contour Kit. This is by Maybelline New York. So now it's time for powder, so I'm just going to be putting some powder in there. Okay guys, now that we finished powder, I'm going to be doing my eyes. So I'm grabbing out the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a brush and I'm going to be using the color Decadent on my outer crease. Okay guys, now that you have this done, I'm going to be filling the rest in with the color Cocoa Truffle. And then I'm going to be taking the color Rolling in Dough and using that on my brow bone. Okay guys, the next thing I'm going to be doing is taking out my Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer and putting that on my eyelid because I'm just going to be doing a cut crease. Okay guys, after you did that, I'm going to be taking the color Love and Cocoa and putting that on the outer corner. And the rest of the way I'm going to be using the color Classy and Sassy. Okay guys, for my under eyes, I'm just going to be taking the color Love and Cocoa and just putting that about halfway underneath my eye. And then the rest of the way, I'm just doing Classy and Sassy. And now it's time for eyeliner. Okay guys, so I finished my other eye and now it is time to move on to lashes. Anyways, so I'm going to be using the wispy ones. These are from Kiss. Okay guys, so while we are waiting for the lash glue to dry, I'm going to be moving on to my highlighter and my blush and, you know, other stuff. So I'm taking out my Wet n Wild highlighting powder and this is in the color Precious Petals. Oh, yeah, I'm doing blush now.
I have some concerns.
Oh, dear Lord, it's one of those days. Okay, guys, now that I did my blush and my highlighter, I'm pretty sure that my lash glue is dry, so we are going to curl my lashes. And now we are pulling out my mascara. I use the Last Sensational by Maybelline New York. Okay guys, now that we finished my face, all we have left is lipstick, and I am using the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick, and this is in the color Soft and Spoken. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any video requests, please comment them down below. If you would like to see my last video, it'll be in the end card along with my social media, my Snapchat, my Instagram, so if you guys want to follow me on those, just definitely look them up. So yeah, remember I post videos every single Friday. Bye!